We are Ninth Enterprises. This is my Secretary of Defense, the Riz, Johnny, Andy Roberts, and the apex of appeal, Blake Steele.
And you know, I got something to say about Eric Ruffington. Eric Ruffington thought he was going to be a big up-and-comer, thought he was going to come in and steal some of my shine. Well, I'm going to tell you, I threw a little wrench into his plans. And if Eric Ruffington thinks he's going to get payback on me right away, if he thinks he's going to get me at the next show, well, I'll tell you what, Knight's Enterprise is going to stop him, because he isn't going to get anywhere near the apex of appeal. Because I am the best here in Hammerlock. There isn't anyone who can beat me. I proved it tonight when I beat Booger, when I made him tap out. I proved it. And Eric Ruffington, you may call yourself the up-and-comer, but you're not as appealing as I am.